everyone. My name is Raymond Kyling. I've been around for 41 years with this business. I've got Doug Baucus here, who's been with me for 34 years. Alan, the cameraman, has been with me for 21 years. We have a lot of people that's been around here for many years with a lot of experience. This is what we do for a living. This 250-ton rolling table press has 4-axe control, fingertip control, very easy to run and operator friendly. Doug, would you give us a demonstration for the table coming out, please? This is for easy loading and unloading of the heavy workpiece. It saves a lot of time and much safer than trying to wrestle in the part in between the frame, between the cylinder and the table. Now what we're going to do is we're going to show you the action on our other axis. We can move it right or left. Very simple. And when we want to put our table back in again, we can position very easily where we're going to be pressing with the cylinder. It makes for much safer operation. Now what we're going to do, we're going to show you right now at this point how we need to get more height from the cylinder to the work part. We're going to take these pins out. Even an old man like me going on 70 can do this, and that's quite heavy. Thank you, Doug. What we do is we take this pin and we put it on the top hole. Or we put it right here, I should say. I'm sorry, right here. We take this pin and put it on the top hole for security reasons. And now you've got a lot more working height. Cylinder activation is fingertip controlled. And the more you pull down on the lever, the quicker it will go. So you've got a variable speed. Adjusting the amount of speed that you need with your joystick. 4 axes. We're very proud of this machine. People who want to save a lot of time and work a little bit harder doing their operation, it's just another way to do your work. It's a safer way to do your work and easier for the operator, and you don't need 2-3 operators. Now the pin goes back on the top, and that will secure your movement when you're pushing. That's where all your force is. So if you're looking for a very high quality machine made here in North America, you can look at RK Machinery and Pressmaster. This is what we can offer you, made here in North America. Not China or Turkey. It's made here, right here in Canada, in North America. Thank you very much, all of you, for looking at this video. This is the back end machine. It's not going to take too much room. Floor space is a concern. And for the size of the machine, a 250 ton, it is also compact.